You are going to love the 2024 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.